Hello everyone, welcome to a new video in the Bold BI deployment series. In this video, I will guide you through setting up a CentOS Linux environment with the Apache Server to deploy Bold BI. Before going through the setup, let's briefly look at Apache Server. The Apache HTTP Server is an open-source web server that delivers web content to clients, such as web browsers, when they request it. It is used to host websites and applications effectively and securely. For this demo, I will be using the CentOS system, connected via PuTTY with sudo privileges. First, install the Apache server along with all necessary dependencies. This will enable you to host the Bold BI server on your Linux machine. When prompted for confirmation, enter Y to proceed with the installation. Next, enable the Apache server by running this command. Then start the server by executing this command. To check the status of the Apache server, use this command. Ensure that the status is active running, which confirms that Apache has started successfully. This command installs the EPEL extra packages for Enterprise Linux repository on CentOS. This repository provides additional packages that are not included in the default CentOS repositories. Next, install the libgdiplus library, which is a GDI+ package required for enabling graphics in the Bold BI application. If you want to install the Bold Data Hub application along with Bold BI, you need to install the Python 3.9 package. To do this, run the following command. Next, install pip along with the dependency packages for the Data Hub service. Then set a path to the environment variable by running this command. Now the environment is ready for installing the Bold BI application. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we will continue with the installation and configuration of Bold BI in the CentOS Linux environment using Apache Server. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned about how to set up the environment for deploying Bold BI in CentOS Linux using the Apache Server. Thanks for watching.